In this video, we are going to learn how we can use the transfer funds feature with which you can easily transfer the funds between any cash or bank nature accounts. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to see how we can withdraw the money from the bank and keep it in petty cash. We have a direct function in QuickBooks for that purpose. So let's see how we can do this. Here in this example, we have 6th January entry and it says cash taken out of Citibank for office use. So the amount is 225,000. So as far as journal entry is concerned, because we are taking the money out from Citibank, Citibank will be credit and the petty cash reserve will increase. So it's debit. So debit petty cash, credit Citibank. But in QuickBooks, we have a dedicated area for that, and that is go to banking and click on transfer funds. I'll just put the date here, which is 6th of January, and I'm transferring funds from Citibank. We have a lot of funds here and we are transferring it to petty cash. Now it's your choice if you want to create a separate account for cash in hand and separate for petty cash. Otherwise, you can consider it the same account. It only depends on the company policies. So I'm transferring funds from Citibank and transferring funds to cash. Now let's mention the transfer amount, which is this. Let's copy and paste that, and let's copy and paste the memo as well and save and close. So guys, this area is used to transfer money from one account to another. It's not only used to transfer petty cash from bank account, it can also be used to make interbank transactions. So this is how you do it. Just practice this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.